and lock it up. Are you ready to catch it? Here we go. January 17, 2024 is the day Omegaman came to your school, and I'm throwing out the Omegaman challenge. Get ready to catch it, get ready to catch it, and catch it. Lock it up, put it in the heart, put it in the heart. Lock it up. Now, okay, now you took the challenge. Now, let's seal it with the pledge. Everyone, put your hands like this now. Now we're gonna seal it with the pledge, the hero pledge. Everyone say, I pledge to be a hero. Helping everyone respect others. I promise to make good choices, to use my powers for good, never for bad. I promise to never give up, to never quit, to do my best. I promise to listen to my teachers, obey mom and dad, and I promise from this day forward, I'm gonna be every day a dream maker. You just took the hero pledge. You are now heroes